Alright, how can we create our first campaign in Lemlist? Okay, in the end, it's all about creating campaigns, right? So let's click on create new campaign, shall we? There we see different options, okay? We can build our campaign manually, right? Or use automatic steps like sending emails, LinkedIn messages, invitations, or scheduling calls. Okay, now we're talking about leads, right? Here's the title field. Let's enter test. Or use AI to search the web, generate text, and analyze lead data, okay? So let's start with the easy part, shall we? This would be building our campaign manually, but let's use AI, which is cool, right? Create with AI, okay? So it says, create your automatic campaign with AI. It then says, we help. Let's use any example, it doesn't matter. We help architects with 3D software printing. What do we help them with? We help them use our software correctly by providing support. I want to reach out with this campaign, well, for no specific reason. I want the campaign in English, for example, and with a formal tone. Let's generate the campaign, let's see. Let's see what it generates for us. This campaign I've made would be a bit about support, right, for people asking questions and so on. And there it has automatically created a bit for us. This, I repeat, we can do manually, okay? I'm doing it to see a bit of what it does for us, and there it does what we would need to do, alright? A sequence of emails, first one sent automatically, okay? A second email sent 2 days later, got it? We should connect our email, by the way. We send a fourth email. There's an invitation, I assume, to connect. Look, a LinkedIn and invite to view the profile, more emails, okay? And this is basically what you keep doing. Want to add something in between? We hit plus and say, let's send an automatic email, okay? It shows a 1-day wait, but hit edit to change it to 3 days, then add the prospect and content. Want to add a call? Hit the call button, okay? There it is. We assign the task to this account, alright? We leave a note and other details there. Priority, let's say medium, add variables, okay? What are these variables for? So while we're writing, we put hello and then the variable like the first and last name, right? We put we are and then the company name there. All that data will autofill automatically. Instead of we are, maybe use the name of the company we're contacting. That makes more sense. This will all autofill to make the profile seem more personalized, okay? Once we have the sequence, we go to the leads list, I don't have any now, and publish the campaign, okay? It's that simple. Alright, how can we create a Lemlist campaign without actually creating one? Well, we can create the campaign manually using the create campaign section. We can create it with AI or use a template from the library that someone else has made, okay? Then we just click on use the template. This would be a cold email to acquire new users. Here we'd simply tweak the message and customize it a bit. Creating it manually isn't much different. You just hit start. Want to send an email? Just click email. When do you want to send it? Click the pencil, set it for 2 days later, connect email, add content, set the topic, done. It's not much more than that. So yeah, it's that simple.